Hey, what's going on, Kassem? You sick again?
Yeah, it's the third time this winter. It's not even Christmas yet.
Yeah, man, your immune system must be completely out of whack, yo. You need to get your nutrition sorted.
My nutrition sorted?
Yeah, man, don't you know when it's cold out there, I like to make myself a warm and comforting lentil soup. It's so easy to make and ooh-wee, I love it. It's just delicious.
What's some lentil soup gonna do? I can't even feel my nose, for God's sake.
Trust, bro, give it a try and you'll thank me. Anyways, I'm off to have a coffee with the boys. Laters. I think I might need to get myself some lentil soup. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, I share high quality health and wellness tips to take your health and well-being to the next level. Today I'm going to share with you how to make an incredibly easy and nutritious lentil soup. And hey, if there's anything in this video that resonates with you, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started.
So here are all the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. Feel free to pause the video to see exactly what you need from the supermarket. So I've laid out everything that you need right over here, not a lot of things at all. Start by peeling the potatoes and the onions. And then we need to cut everything into large cubes. Next up, we slice the carrots into large slices just like so. Then you'll have to cut half a sweet pepper just like this. Voila, all veggies chopped up. Next up, get 1 big cup of lentils and wash them with some cold water. Now to start cooking, preheat the pot to a high temperature and add some olive oil. Onions go in and let them sizzle for a minute or two. Then we add a little bit of black pepper and continue stirring. And then the rest of the veggies all go inside into the pot. Stir it up and continue stirring for just a few moments to cook the veggies. And then the pre-washed lentils all go inside. Continue stirring, then add 2 little teaspoons of cumin powder. Stir, 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 and now we need to add a little bit of salt to taste. Next up, water goes inside to fill the pot up to halfway. And you guessed it, give it a bit of a stir. Now cover the pot and reduce the heat down to low to allow it to simmer. After about half an hour, open up the pot to see what's going on inside. All good, all the veggies must be nice and soft now, so time to add them to the blender. Add everything to the blender just like so, and start blending. Now we return all the contents inside the pot to check the consistency. Yummy, yummy, looks good. Add a squeeze of lemon, and then stir the bowl for a little bit. And time to add the garnishes. Here we've added a little bit of mint, some sweet paprika, and a little bit of chopped parsley. And there you have it, your lentil soup is ready to go.
For more videos on healthy recipes, you can check out my Superfood series right over here. My name is Kassem. Thank you so much for watching.